Now in this video we are going to just fast forward the lab. We are not going to read the steps, read the policies, whatever. I just remember the steps. I will do complete this lab in the fast forward mode. Now let's start with searching IAM policies. IAM, first we have to create 2 users. The first user will be John, and we have to provide access to the management console. The password will be Whizlabs @123. Now click on create user. Next. Add user to group. The tag will be dev team. The value will be developers. Create user. Return to user list. Create another one with the same properties. Sarah. Provide management console. Password will be Whizlabs @123. Next. The tag will be dev team. The value will be developers. So now create user. Return to user list. Continue. Now create another user, which one is Ted. Provide management console access. The custom password will be Whizlabs @123. Now click on next. HR team. Value will be HR. Then create a user. Then return to user list. Now another user will be Rita. Provide management access. Whizlabs @123. Now click on next. Now next. Add tag. So these are the users which I have created now. Now create a user group. Now we have to create 2 users, 2 user group basically. First one is dev team, in which I have to add John and Sarah. Then I have to attach policy read only. Now first team is created. Now create another group, and that will be HR team, in which I have to attach Rita and Ted. The policy will be billing. Now my 2 teams are created here. And I attached policies as well here. So in this level we created 4 IAM users, 2 IAM groups. At the time of IAM group creation, we attached IAM policies as well. So that's all we learned in this lab. So just click on validation. After validating my lab, I would just sign off from here. there I am getting user created with errors. It's a common error. Please ignore and proceed further. Okay, so that's the lab which we have provided, which we covered till here. I've cleared the lab with the 100% ratio. Just end this